beauty secret video. I'm kidding. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankita. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be pretending to be in a Vogue beauty secret video. Oh my god, first of all, I just love watching those videos. I'm going to run through all of my skincare secrets and stuff that I've been doing to keep my skin nice and the way it is right now. First of all, to be very honest, I am very grateful to the genes that I have gotten from, I don't know from which side it is, but yes, I have beautiful skin from my childhood. So actually, I just now washed my face with this cleanser. So I'm a person who is normal to dry skin type, so I think using products which have aloe vera, glycerin and hyaluronic acid kind of stuff usually is very good for dry skin type. Okay, so now what I do next is, after washing my face, I just take toner. Currently I'm using Banjara's Rose Water as my toner. I do this 7-step Korean skincare toner routine. When I started doing it, I literally saw a difference in my skin, which was making my skin look so much better and moisturized from inside out. So yes, from then I've never stopped doing this and I absolutely love doing it. So what they do is just take 3 to 4 drops and you just have to dab it in your skin like that. I usually do it on your neck as well, but today I'm wearing like a full sleeve sort of sweater. I'm not going to do it obviously. But yes, you have to obviously put whatever you put on your face on your neck as well, because neck is the first place which shows signs of aging after your hands. Keep that in mind. So whatever you apply on your face, just apply it on your neck as well. Also, Vogue videos, beauty secret videos are filmed in washroom, bathroom, but my bathroom is kind of dark and there is no proper lighting. Hence, I'm not filming it in my bathroom, but yeah. Okay, I think I'm done with it. I'm also just applying the rest on my hands. Continuing. So, next I'm going to apply Kumkumadi oil, which is from the brand Devi Herbs. I've been loving a bunch of their oils these days. Also, this is like such an old bottle. I've used this continuously since the time I've purchased this bottle and it's so worth it. It's so worth it. You can literally see the difference in your skin once you start applying. Just gonna take 3 drops, not more than that, because it will make you look oily. If you don't want that look, you don't want to do it. Also, this smell of this oil is divine, you guys. At first when I purchased this, I was like, I am a person who don't like really like strong smell, so I was like, oh my god, what is this smell? I don't like this. But then once I got used to it, I just love it. I just can't stop using it now. Also, I forgot to apply eye cream. I've recently realized that you shouldn't apply your eye cream here, but a little towards like this eye socket, right? I'm just doing it. So I'm not applying lip balm because I usually apply lip balm at night before I go to bed, so that in the morning when I wake up, my lips are like nice and moisturized. I'm just taking Nivea, just a bit on my hand, and just patting it in. Also, don't just drag your moisturizer or oil on your face, just pat it. That's like a better thing to do. Also, again, remaining goes on my hands. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you a few tips on how you can actually maintain your skin beautifully and look beautiful. So the first thing is, what I usually do, or what my mom actually follows religiously, is to apply coconut oil on your face before going to bath, like 5 minutes before going to bath, and then just using like a natural soap or actually a Upton. My mom uses Upton. You can use Upton and just wash it off. Doing this every day will keep your skin perfect. Another thing is massaging your face. So yes, massaging your face with anything, basically with your hands or like a tool like this, which is called like a jade roller, is important. It's kind of important because it can lift up your your face, your skin. It just lifts your skin up and makes you look more youthful, young, and all this good stuff. I do this every morning, like when I'm doing my morning skincare, and also when I do my night skincare routine. What I do is I just do this, taking the roller upwards. My eyes tend to get a little puffy when I wake up in the morning, so this helps. Okay, I think I'm now done with this. You can also do it on your neck. You should pull down when you're doing on your neck towards your lymphatic points. Okay, so now once I'm done with my skincare, for my makeup, what I do is I just take some translucent powder on a brush and just dust it. I don't use compact powder on an everyday basis. Another tip is, if you want your skin to be good, don't apply makeup very regularly. Like, I've seen people who wear makeup every freaking day, and it obviously makes a difference on your skin, you know. So just wear makeup whenever it's necessary. I mean, what I'm referring to when I say makeup is foundations, concealers and stuff like that. And even compact powders, you know. I just like to stick with my natural skin at all times, because at the end of the day, that is what is going to make your skin look good. No matter how amazing your products, your makeup looks, what matters is how good is your skin beneath the tons and tons of layers of makeup, right? So that obviously makes a difference. So just try to do that. Also, I swear by oils. I'm all about oils. I don't use anything else on my face. From the very beginning, from my childhood, I've just been using oils. I just love oils. So my go-to right now are coconut oil. Any brand of coconut oil is fine. The one I use is Jucalist brand. I'm going to put a picture for you in case you want. Which is organic wood pressed coconut oil. Another oil which I would highly recommend you guys is Kumkumadi oil by Devi Herbs. Their vitamin E oil is also extremely good. I'm almost done with that bottle, and I've been using it from the time I bought it. And one thing is, even though you feel like these oils are little expensive than compared to what you get in local market, the thing is that you don't need a lot, right? So it kind of balances it out. I've been using this oil itself, for example Kumkumadi oil, for definitely over a year, and I still have a lot left in this. So you know, it means like you can invest in good oils and you can see the difference. So I'm just going to go with lipstick. I'm just going to wear this lip liner, and I really like mixing two lip shades right now. I'm like in love with the result of it. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to line my lips first. I just use the same lip product that I used. I just apply it like a blush. On an everyday basis, you just want less products, right? I'm just going to take the same shade, just apply a touch of it on my eyelids. Yes, this is what I do on a day-to-day basis for my classes, meetings and stuff. Very basic, yet very simple to do. And I'm just going to finish up the look by wearing some hoops. Last tip before going is, when I want like a nice glow on my face more than this, I don't set it with a powder, I just leave it the way it is, and it will give you such a pretty glow on your face, because obviously I've used oils, right? So it gives a prettiest glow ever. So yes, that is how my skin looks so good and glowing. Also, I've been taking care of my skin religiously, doing my skincare and stuff from a really long time. So this is not just ek din ka kaam, you know, so you just have to put so much effort into it as well. And also kudos to my mom, thanks to my mom, because she has taken care of my skin from the time I was a kid. And also I'm so grateful that during my teenage years, you know, when people like have breakouts, I never had that. So my skin is perfect the way it is from the very beginning, and I'm just so happy that I have such good skin. I don't have to do much to it for it to look good. And yes, that is the end of my beauty secrets video. I hope you like this video. I just enjoyed filming this because this is something that I truly love doing, because obviously you have to show some love to your skin as well. So yes, thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video. I'm going to see you with more such kind of videos. Until then, take care of yourself. Please stay home, stay safe. Bye.